expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Monrovia around 8:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Monrovia Airfield, Mishimoqua, Maxville, the Big Swamp area, Earn and County Roads F and KK. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. In the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pepin County, southeastern Dunn County, southern Chippewa County, Eau Claire County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Eau Gallie to 9 miles west of Independence to near Galesville, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Menominee around 8:45 p.m. Elk Mound around 8:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Colfax, Augusta, Fall Creek, Bloomer, and Boyd. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for west central Wisconsin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for west central Wisconsin. A severe thunderstorm